your theta equals to tan inverse of x. So here it becomes your tan inverse of x. This part is nothing but your, just see here, that is LHS. So therefore I am going to write your LHS equals to RHS. Your LHS equals to RHS. I can write LHS equals to RHS. Okay, once again I am going to repeat this one. Just watch it. 2 times of tan inverse x equals to cos inverse of 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. Your x value is greater than or equals to 0. Okay, so I am going to take the solution, that is 2 times of tan inverse x equals to cos inverse of 1 minus x square whole divided by 1 plus x square. So just consider the RHS part, that is cos inverse of 1 minus x square whole divided by 1 plus x square. Just I am going to put your x equals to tan theta. So this becomes your theta equals to tan inverse of x. Okay. Next, cos inverse of, just I am going to put the value of x equals to tan theta in your RHS part. So what happens here? Cos inverse of 1 minus tan square theta whole divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, this is nothing but the formula of cos 2 theta in terms of tan. See, we know that ಅದನ್ನ ಯಾವ ತರ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ cos 2 theta ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 1 minus tan square theta whole divided by 1 plus tan square theta. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಬರೀತೀನಿ, cos 2 theta ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos inverse of cos 2 theta equals to 2 theta. So with the help of this property I am going to write ಒಟ್ಟು as it is theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನದ tan inverse of x ಅಂತದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೀರಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, tan inverse of theta equals to tan inverse of x ಅಂತದ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ 2 tan inverse x, ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮದು LHS part. Therefore LHS equals to RHS. Okay. Okay, the third one, 2 times of tan inverse x equals to tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square. Your x value lies between minus 1 to plus 1. Okay, we'll go for the solution of this one. See, once again I am going to write, mattond sari baritini, 2 times of tan inverse x equals to tan inverse of your 2x divided by 1 minus x square. So again I am going to consider here your RHS part. So RHS part ಏನಂತ ನಮ್ದು, that is tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square. So put your x equals to tan theta. This implies theta equals to tan inverse of x. Theta equals to tan inverse of x. So here this becomes your tan inverse of 2 times of tan theta whole divided by 1 minus tan square theta. Again we know that your tan 2 theta equals to 2 tan theta whole divided by 1 minus tan square theta. Okay, just I am going to replace this 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta as tan 2 theta. Okay, so this becomes your tan inverse of tan 2 theta. Again with the help of the property, this can be written as 2 theta. The reason for this one, your tan inverse of tan theta is always theta. Okay, so here 2 as it is, what is the value of theta? Your theta is nothing but tan inverse of x. Theta is tan inverse of x. This is nothing but your LHS part. Therefore, your left hand side equals to right hand side. LHS equals to RHS. Very important properties. Maximum times you may get these properties for 2 or 3 marks. Very important one. Okay, for your boards. Yes. Okay. The property number 7. Show that in that first one, sin inverse of 2x into root of 1 minus x square equals to 2 times of sin inverse of x. Your x value lies between minus 1 by root 2 to plus 1 by root 2. Less than or equals to minus 1 by root 2 to less than or equals to plus 1 by root 2. Okay. So here I am going to start with the solution. Just write the solution part. Sin inverse of 2 times of x into root of 1 minus x square equals to 2 times of your sin inverse x. So here, what substitution you are going to do? That is very important. Okay. Just check here. Again, I am having another question here. It is similar to this one. The only change is its ranges. Both are having different ranges, and even the RHS part is different. Here it is 2 times of cos inverse x. Here it is 2 times of sin inverse x. Got it? Both the questions are similar, 90%. Okay. So then let me see what substitution you are going to do here. See, here in the RHS part you are having sin inverse of x. Then I need to go for your theta equals to sin inverse of x. Then again go for reverse. It becomes x equals to sin theta. Here I am going to consider your LHS part. Your LHS part is sin inverse of 2x into root of 1 minus x square is there. Okay. So I am going to put your x equals to, see, I told here it is sin inverse x. Then I am going to take your x equals to sin theta. However, in theta in bರ್ತದೆ, theta equals to your sin inverse of x. ನಾನು ಆಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀವಿ, theta ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ theta equals to sin inverse x ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೋತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ RHS ದಾಗ sin inverse x ಅದ. ಸೇಮ್ ಅದೇ ತರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದ, theta equals to cos inverse of x ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. Okay, done. So just put the value of x equals to sin theta in your left hand side. It becomes your sin inverse of 2 times of sin theta into root of 1 minus sin square theta. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ, sin inverse of 2 sin theta, okay, root of, see here the reason for this one, into cos square theta plus sin square theta ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತದೆ. its value is always 1. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈ sin square ಆ ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನಿಮ್ದು cos square theta equals to 1 minus sin square theta ಅಂತದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 1 minus sin square theta ಇದಿದ್ದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಏನಂತ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ, I can write that one as cos square theta. So I am going to write cos square theta ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ರೂಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ cos square ಅದ, ರೂಟ್ ಲಿಂದ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, cos theta ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin inverse of 2 times of sin theta into cos theta ಅಂತದ. ಓಕೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ, what you can write for 2 times of sin theta into cos theta. Okay, first year trigonometry ಒಳಗಡೆ ಕಲ್ತೀವಿ 2 times of sin theta into cos theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರೀತೀವಿ? I am going to write this one as sin 2 theta ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. sin 2 theta ಅಂತ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, sin inverse of your sin 2 theta. Again with the help of the property it becomes 2 theta. ಯಾವ property ಹೆಂಗ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Again I am going to write the reason. So all these whatever I have written in the bracket, those are nothing but your reasons. ಯಾಕೆ ಈ ತರ ಬರೀತೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಾಜು reasons ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ sin inverse of sin theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರೀತೀವಿ ನಾವು? We can write this is theta. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 2 theta, 2 theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿವಿ? That is your sin inverse of x ಅಂತದ. This is nothing but your RHS part. Therefore I am going to write your LHS equals to what? RHS. Very good. Your LHS equals to RHS. Very good. Okay. So this is, sometimes even this question is also very important for 2 or 3 marks. Okay. Yes. Then shall we move for the next question? Yes. Okay. See, the same procedure I am going to apply here. Once again I am going to write the solution part here. The question, that is sin inverse of 2 times of x into root of 1 minus x square is there equals to 2 times of cos inverse of x ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ again I am going to consider the LHS part. Your sin inverse of 2x into root of 1 minus x square. Okay, so put what I told you, that what you are going to substitute for your x equals to, I am going to substitute for your x equals to cos theta. Then it becomes theta equals to what? Cos inverse of x. Very good. So I am going to write your x equals to cos theta. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ theta equals to ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? cos inverse of x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಹೌದು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನಿಮ್ದು sin inverse of 2 times of cos theta into root of 1 minus cos square theta ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಹೌದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೇನು ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ? ರೀಸನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರೀತೀನಿ. 1 minus cos square theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರೀತೀನಿ? 1 minus cos square theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು sin square theta ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ it becomes sin inverse of 2 times of cos theta into root of sin square theta. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ನೀವು ಏನು ಬರೀಬಹುದು? sin inverse of 2 times of cos theta root ಒಳಗಡೆ sin square theta ಅದ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೂಟ್ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? sin theta ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Again I can write the reason here. 2 times of sin theta into cos theta equals to your sin 2 theta equals to sin 2 theta. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin inverse of sin 2 theta, this value is 2 theta. 2, what is the value of theta? Theta value is your cos inverse of x. This is nothing but your RHS part. I am going to write, therefore your LHS equals to what? RHS. Very good. These are very important properties. Okay, just you have to remember these things. Okay. Yes, listen. So now we shall move for the examples. These are nothing but some of the applications of your ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್, ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಏನು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ವಿ ಅದರದೇ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅದ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಶೋ ದಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 2 by 11 equals to tan inverse of what? 3 by 4 antada. Just I am going to convert this one into the solution part. Okay, just I am going to convert this one as a solution part. ಯಾವ ತರ ಅದ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, first I am going to take your left hand side. So I am going to consider your LHS part. ಏನದ LHS part? Tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 2 by 11 antada. Okay, so we have the result. We know that I am going to use the result. Your tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನು ಬರೀತೀವಿ? tan inverse of x plus y whole divided by 1 minus xy ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇವುಗಳನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ದಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಶೋ ದಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರೆದು ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 2 by 11. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನದ? tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. ಅದನ್ನ ಯಾವ ತರ ಬರೀಬಹುದು? We can write this one as tan inverse of x plus tan inverse, you can write this one as tan inverse of x plus y whole divided by 1 minus xy. It is written on the board. Okay, just I am going to simplify with the help of this property. So what happens here? I am going to write your tan inverse of, x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದ? 1 by 2 plus y ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನದ? 2 by 11 whole divided by ಏನು ಬರೀತೀವಿ? 1 minus x ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by 2 ಅದ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ದು y ಏನದ? 2 by 11 ಅಂತದ. ಓಕೆ, here next tan inverse of, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಬೇಕು, ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅದ. ಆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಮತ್ತು 11 LCM ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದ? What is the LCM of 2 and 11? The LCM is what? 22. Very good. Yes, 22. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಅದ, ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? 11. So 1 into 11 is 11 plus ಇಲ್ಲಿ 11 ಅದ, 22 LCM ಅದ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ to get s 22? That is 2. So 2 ಲೇ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೇನಾಗ್ತದ? 2 into 2 4 whole divided by, ಇಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಹಾಗೆ ಅದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇದು 1 ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, minus 1 by 2 into 2 by 11. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ LCM ತಗೊಂಡ್ರ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗ್ತದ 22 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ರ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿರ್ತದ? 1 ಇರ್ತದ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 1 ಮತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ದು 22 LCM ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? 22 ಆಗ್ತದ. ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೆದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ದು 22 minus 1 into 2 whole divided by 22 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ you can just cancel this 22. So what happens? Tan inverse of 11 plus 4, tan inverse of 11 plus 4, that is 15. Again whole divided by 22 minus 2, that is your 20. So this is 5 3s are, this will be your 5 4s are. So this becomes your tan inverse of 3 by 4. So this part is nothing but your RHS part. Therefore I am going to write your LHS equals to what? RHS. LHS equals to RHS. Very important examples for 2 or again 3 marks. Okay, maximum times these questions have been appeared. Okay, just you have to focus on these examples. Okay, yes. Okay, so the next question, that is, prove that tan inverse of 2 by 11 plus a tan inverse of 7 by 24 equals to tan inverse of 1 by 2. Even the same procedure here we are going to apply. Okay, so just I am going to convert this one as a solution. So again, what I am going to do, I am going to write first your left hand side, that is your LHS. So this becomes your tan inverse of 2 by 11 plus the tan inverse of 7 by 24. Okay, so use the result. We know that your tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y equals to your tan inverse of s. What you are going to do? X plus y whole divided by 1 minus xy. This result I am going to use. Okay, so this becomes your tan inverse of what is the value of x here? 2 by 11. What about your y? Just compare these things. We are getting to 7 by 24. I need to find the LCM of these two numbers. So LCM ಏನದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 20. ಒಂದು ಏನದ 11 ಅದ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು 24 ಅಂತದ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ how you are going to find the LCM of these two numbers. Okay, 11 and 24. Okay, so what is the LCM of 11 and 24? Yes, very good. Somebody told that 264 ಬರ್ತದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೋ, ಎರಡನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ. Okay, we'll see next. Again, whole divided by 1 minus your x is 2 by 11 into 7 by 24. Okay, so here I am going to write your tan inverse of. So LCM is 264. Here I have to multiply by 24. Very good. 24 into 2, that is 48. Again plus 11 into 7, that is 77 whole divided by. Okay, again if you just take the cross multiplication and take the LCM, you are getting 264 minus, yes, 2 into 7, 14 whole divided by 264. 264 both will get cancelled. So next is your tan inverse of, okay, 48 plus 77. You are getting how much? 125. Again, 264 minus 14. You are getting 250. See, 125 ones are 125 twos. So you are getting this value as tan inverse of 1 by 2. This is nothing but your RHS part. Therefore, your LHS part equals to RHS part. Yes. Just copy the example. Okay. The next question. Find the value of the following. Okay. This question is, you want to see, this question is also very important for your 2 marks or 3 marks. Just I am going to write the solution part, that is cos of secant inverse of x plus cosecant inverse of x. Yes. Here, with the help of the property, what you can write for your cosecant inverse of x plus second inverse of x. Yes, that is, we know that I am going to write your second inverse of x plus cosecant inverse of x. This value is nothing but your pi by 2. Okay, this value is nothing but your pi by 2. Properties ಒಳಗಡೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಿವಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿವಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, cos of this value is pi by 2. What is the value of cos pi by 2? What you can write the, what is the value of cos pi by 2? Yes, very good, that is 0. I am going to write the reason here. Your cos of pi by 2 value is 0. Cos 90 degree pi by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ನಮ್ಮದು 90 degree. Cos 90 value ಏನು ಇರ್ತದೆ 0. So this becomes your 0. Okay, very important. Even sometimes this question may come for your 1 mark also. That time you should not go for all the steps. Directly you can come for here. Okay, that time you can come directly here. See, with the help of the property you are going to write this term as pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is nothing but 0. Okay, we'll go for next. That is second one. Cot of tan inverse A plus cot inverse of A. Okay, again here I will be taking your cot of tan inverse of A again plus cot inverse of A. Okay, I can write here, we know that your tan inverse of A plus cot inverse of A, this value is what? Pi by 2. Okay, pi by 2 with the help of the properties. Okay, so what is this value? Cot pi by 2. Cot 90 value is again 0. Cot 90 value is what? Again 0. The reason for this one, yes, cot pi by 2 value is 0. Even this question is also very important. Okay, yes, just copy down the solution. Okay, the third one, that is tan inverse of 2 times of cos 2 sin inverse of 1 by 2 ಅಂತದ. Okay, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾವ ತರ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡೋಣ ಅಂತ. So this I am going to convert into the solution part. Okay, so here I am going to write the reasons first. Let me simplify 1 by 1 first, then we can go for the final simplification. Okay, here I am going to take this first. Here sin inverse of 1 by 2. ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಥೀಟಾ ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀನಿ. ಥೀಟಾ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ sin inverse ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 by 2 equals to sin theta. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇನ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ sin theta ಆಂಗಲ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್. sin ದ ಯಾವ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 1 by 2 ಬರ್ತದೆ? ಎಸ್, sin ದ ಯಾವ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಗೆ 1 by 2 ಬರ್ತದೆ? ಎಸ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಯುವರ್ sin pi by 6. Nice answer. That is sin pi by 6. 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ pi by 6 ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಯುವರ್ tan inverse of 2 times of cos 2 into ಇದನ್ನ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದದ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ pi by 6 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ, 1 by 2 ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, pi by 6 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. Your 2 1s are 2 3s are. Okay, next to see what happens. Your tan inverse of 2 into cos pi by 3. What is the value of cos pi by 3? Cos 60 degree. Yes, cos 60 degree illudri. Cos pi by 3 value is what? 1 by. Very good. 1 by 2. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಇದೇನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮದು tan inverse of 2 times of ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರೀತೀವಿ 1 by 2 ones are. So again here the term remaining is tan inverse of 1. tan ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಗೆ 1 ಬರುತ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ tan inverse of 1 equals to theta. So ಇದು ಆ ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ 1 equals to tan theta ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತದೆ. tan ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಗೆ 1 ಬರುತ್ತದೆ that is nothing but your tan pi by 4 45 degree. So this becomes your pi by 4. Very important example for 2 marks. Very important example for your 2 marks. Okay, just copy it. Okay, the next question. Find the value of the following. Tan of 1 by 2 into sin inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square plus cos inverse of 1 minus y square whole divided by 1 plus y square. Your modulus of x value is less than 1, your y value is greater than 0, and your xy value is also less than 1. Okay, so we'll start with the solution. When I am going to start with the solution, so just I am going to remove these conditions. Okay, the solution part. See, first I am going to substitute for your x equals to. Then again I am going to substitute for your y equals to first. Let me simplify these two terms first. So here, put your x equals to tan theta I am going to substitute. So this gives your theta equals to tan inverse of x. Okay. So again, for y I am going to substitute your y equals to tan phi. Okay. Your phi equals to, that is a tan inverse of y. So what happens, see, let me first simplify these two terms first. So I am going to put your x equals to tan theta here. It becomes your sin inverse of 2 times of tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, so this becomes your sin inverse of sin 2 theta. This formula already I have given a reason in the previous examples. Okay, 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but your sin 2 theta formula in terms of tan. Okay, so with the help of the property sin inverse of sin theta, again it becomes 2 times of theta. So what is the value of theta? Very good, that is tan inverse of x. Just now I have simplified this term first. This term I have simplified. Let me go for the cos inverse term now. Okay, so it becomes your cos inverse of 1 minus tan square phi whole divided by 1 plus tan square phi. Okay, so it becomes your cos inverse of s cos 2 phi. Even this is also the formula of your cos 2 theta in terms of purely tan theta. That is nothing but 1 minus tan square phi whole divided by 1 plus tan square phi. Okay, so with the help of the again property, I can write this one as 2 phi. 2, what is the value of phi? That is tan inverse of y. Okay, see, just now I have simplified these two terms. in the simplest form. Simplest form ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿವಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದ 2 tan inverse x ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 tan inverse y ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದ. ಈ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುವಂತ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾನು ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇವುಗಳನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, tan of 1/2 into 2 times of tan inverse x plus 2 times of tan inverse of y. Okay, so just I am going to take the 2 common from this bracket. When it comes outside, it becomes 1 into 2 2/2 ಎರಡು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ, ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಆಗಿ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ 1 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನೇನು ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, tan of tan inverse x plus tan inverse of y ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ tan inverse x plus tan inverse y ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನದ? Yes, I can write that one as a tan of tan inverse of x plus y whole divided by 1 minus xy. Very good, I can write like this. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ tan inverse tan ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿತದೆ, ನಿಮ್ದು x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. This is the solution. Very important example. Even this question has also been appeared maximum times. Just to be focused this question for you may get for your 2 or 3 marks again. Yes, just copy down. Okay, so again there are 2 examples which are very important for your again 2 or 3 marks. Okay, that is, prove that first one, 3 times of sin inverse x equals to your sin inverse of a 3x minus 4x cube. Your x belongs to the closed interval from -1/2 to +1/2. Okay, we'll just go for the solution of this one. So when I am going to start with the solution, just I am going to skip its conditions. So this solution is 3 times of sin inverse of x equals to sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cube ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನಂದು RHS ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಏನದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ RHS ಪಾರ್ಟ್, sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cube ಅಂತದ. Okay, so I am going to put your x equals to sin theta. X equals to what? Sin theta ಅಂತ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಥೀಟಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, sin inverse of x ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಥೀಟಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ್ರಿ, sin inverse of x ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ this becomes your sin inverse of 3 times of sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Okay, so what I can write here, sin inverse of sin 3 theta. ಇದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇದು sin 3 theta ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅದ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ sin inverse of sin ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರೀತೀವಿ, 3 theta. 3 theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನದ, ಇದು sin inverse of x. ಇದು ನಿಮ್ದು LHS part ಅದ. You can check here. So therefore I can write your LHS equals to what? RHS. This is for the solution. If you want the reason for this thing, here ನೀವು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಏನಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು, sin 3 theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 times of sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಬರೀತೀವಿ, sin 3 theta. That one I have wrote here. Okay, just copy this one. Okay, the next question, second one. 3 times of cos inverse of x equals to cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x. Your x belongs to the closed interval 1/2 ಕಾಮಾ 1 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ again I am going to consider the solution. That time I am not going to write the its condition. Okay, this is your solution. So ಏನು ಮಾಡೋನು ಮತ್ತು as it is ಆಗಡೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ RHS ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ನಂದು, so my RHS part is cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. So just put your x equals to cos theta. This implies your theta equals to what? Cos inverse of x. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos inverse of 4 cos cube theta minus 3 times of cos theta minus 3 times of cos theta ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos inverse of ಇದು ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನಿಮ್ದು cos 3 theta ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Just I am going to write the reason here. See, 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta equals to what? Your cos 3 theta ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ cos inverse of cos theta is your 3 theta. Cos inverse of cos 3 theta is 3 theta. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ 3 theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ cos inverse of x ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು ನಿಮ್ದು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Therefore I can write your LHS equals to what? RHS. Okay, even this example is also very important for your 2 or 3 marks. ಏನ್ ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ 2 or 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಕತ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾನು 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಲಿಕತ್ತೀನಿ. 1 marks example ಏನದ will go for the principal concept at the last. Okay, yes. Copy this one. Okay, the next one example, show that tan inverse of 2 times of tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus a tan inverse of 1 by 7 equals to your tan inverse of 31 by 17. Okay, so I am going to take this one as solution. So let me go for first your left hand side. Let me consider your left hand side. So this becomes your 2 tan inverse of x, that is 2 tan inverse of 1 by 2. In place of x I am having 1 by 2. Again plus tan inverse of 1 by 7. So let me first simplify this one. Okay, let me simplify that one first. 2 times of your tan inverse of 1 by 2 is there. Okay, so just when you are going to compare this one with the standard formula, it becomes 2 times of tan inverse of x. What you can write for your 2 times of tan inverse of x? So the formula is tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square. So I can write for your 2 times of tan inverse x as tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square I can write. Okay, so then I am going to write your 2 times of tan inverse of 1 by 2. ಯಾವ ತರ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಾನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಬರೀತೀನಿ, tan inverse of 2 into x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನದ ನಂದು 1 by 2 whole divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 whole square. ಇದರ ತರ ಬರದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 2x divided by 1 minus x square. ಈ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ದಾಗ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, yes, next. So just write this term as it is. Your tan inverse of 1 by 7. Okay, so again if I am going to simplify, 2 to 2 cancel ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಏನು ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನಿಂದು tan inverse of ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 divided by 1 minus 1 by 4 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Again plus your tan inverse of this becomes your 1 by 7. So when you are going to take your LCM becomes 4. 4 minus 1 3. When you are going to again go for the reciprocal, it becomes your tan inverse of what? Yes, very good. It becomes your tan inverse of 4 by 3 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7. ಈ ತರ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಹೌದು, ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? tan inverse of, I am going to write your 4 by 3 plus 1 by 7 whole divided by 1 minus 4 by 3 into 1 by 7 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Next, if you take the LCM of 3 and 7, you are getting how much? 21. So then I have to multiply here with the 4. So it becomes a tan inverse of 7 into 4 is 28. Again plus 1 into 3, that is 3 whole divided by 20. Sorry, that is 21. Again this becomes, if you just take the multiply and take the LCM, it becomes your 21 minus 4 whole divided by 20. 21 get cancelled. So the final value is your tan inverse of 28 plus 3, that is 31. 21 minus 4, that is 17. This part is nothing but your RHS part. Okay, therefore your LHS equals to what? RHS. LHS equals to RHS. Okay, even this question is also very important for your 3 marks. Maximum times it has been appeared in your board exams. Okay, just copy it. Okay, if sine inverse of 1 by 5 plus cos inverse of x equals to 1, then find the value of x. This question is very important for 1 or 2 marks. Okay, 1 or 2 marks. So let me go for the solution. Okay, so I am going to just write the solution part here. So when I am going to take the solution part, so I am going to just consider this one. So in the sine of, see, when I am going to shift this sine to this side, it becomes sine inverse of 1 ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು? sine inverse of 1 by 5 plus cos inverse of x equals to your sine inverse of 1. Sine inverse of 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನದ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನಾನು ಬರೀತೀನಿ sine inverse of 1 equals to theta. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 1 equals to ಏನು ಬರ್ತದ? sin theta. sin ಅದು ಯಾವ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 1 ಬರ್ತದ? that is sin of 90 degree pi by 2 ಇದ್ದಾಗ. ಹೌದು, ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಬರೆದುಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ನಾನು? pi by 2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, we know that sin inverse of x plus cos inverse of x, ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನದ? with the help of the property ಏನದ? pi by 2 ಅಂತದ. ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗ pi by 2 ಇರ್ತದಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ದು x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎರಡೂ ಕಡೆ ಏನಿರಬೇಕ? it should be same, equal ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅವಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಿಮಗೆ pi by 2 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, sin inverse of 1 by 5 plus cos inverse of x equals to ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ? pi by 2 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, that is your x equals to 1 by 5. Yes, done. Take terms. Okay, so very important question for your 3 marks. Okay, if tan of, so better you make this one as tan inverse. Okay, so So your tan inverse of x minus 1 whole divided by x minus 2 plus the tan inverse of x plus 1 divided by x plus 2 equals to pi by 4. Find the value of x ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ದಾಗ ಬಂದಂತ ಒಂದು ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಮೀ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರೀತೀವಿ? ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ tan inverse of x ಲಿಂದ ಹಂಚ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಯಾವ ತರ ಅದ tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y ಇದ್ದಂಗದ. ಹೌದು, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಬರೀತೀವಿ? tan inverse of x. x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನದ? x minus 1 divided by x minus 2 plus y ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನದ? x plus 1 divided by x plus 2. Okay, whole divided by 1 minus x minus 1 divided by x minus 2 into x plus 1 divided by x plus 2. ಹೌದು, ಯಾವ ತರ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನಾವು tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರೀತೀವಿ? ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು tan inverse of x plus y whole divided by 1 minus xy ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. ಸೇಮ್ ಅದೇ ತರ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಏನದ? pi by 4. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಈ tan inverse ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ tan. ಹೌದು, tan pi by 4 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. What is the value of tan pi by 4? 45 degree. 1. Okay, its value is 1. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ x minus 1 divided by x minus 2 plus x plus 1 divided by x plus 2 whole divided by 1 minus x minus 1 whole divided by x minus 2 into x plus 1 divided by x plus 2. ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನಿಂದು tan pi by 4. tan pi by 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ LCM ತಗೋರಿ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ. Again go for LCM in the denominator and just simplification. LCM ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, x minus 1 into ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗ್ತದೆ x plus 2 again plus x plus 1 into x minus 2 ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ whole divided by. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಎರಡು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಬರೀಬಹುದು? x minus ಇಲ್ಲಿ whole divided by the LCM ಏನದ? x minus 2 into x plus 2. Okay, again ಇದು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ x minus 2 into x plus 2 minus ಈ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ಸ್ x minus 1 into x plus 1 whole divided by. again LCM ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ. ಇದು x minus 2 ಅದ into x plus 2 equals to ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ? 1. ಇವೆರಡು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Okay, both will get cancelled. So next I am just going to rub this one. Okay, next simplification ನೋಡಿ. binomial multiplication ಅದ. binomial multiplication x minus 1 into x plus 2. ಇದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ? x square plus x minus 2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ again plus if you go for the simplification of this one x plus 1 into x minus 2 it becomes again your x square minus x minus 2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ whole divided by. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ a plus b a minus b is nothing but your a square minus b square ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ a ಅಂದ್ರೆ x ಅದ x square minus b ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಅದ 2 square. Okay, again put the bracket here. First put the minus and then go for the bracket. A plus b, this is your 1. So let me write this one as correctly. Okay, so this is your x plus 1 x minus 1. Again a square minus b square. It becomes your x square minus 1 square. So this value is equals to 1. So see, plus x minus x ಎರಡು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ x square plus x square you are getting 2 times of x square. Minus 2, minus 4 whole divided by, again ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್. ಅಗೇನ್ in the minus x square plus x square cancel ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Minus 2 square, it is minus, keep as it is, 2 square is 4. Again here it is plus 1 equals to 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2x square minus 4 whole divided by minus 4 plus 1 is yes minus 3 equals to 1. So just ಇದು minus 3 ಈ ಕಡೆ multiply ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರೀಬಹುದು? 2x square minus 4 equals to minus 3. ಈ minus 4 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ, 2x square equals to minus 3 plus 4. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು 2x square equals to 1. So x square equals to ಏನು ಬರೀತೀವಿ? 1 by 2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ therefore x equals to ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ? plus or minus 1 by root 2. This is the final one. Very important example for your 3 marks. Okay. So here we are going to stop with the class. In the next class again we are going to continue with the next examples. Okay. Yes, thank you.